channel Urmesh World. Today in this video, you're going to learn how to create your own custom download links within your dashboard. And in this changing business world, users always want everything which is easy to access. In just one click, everything could be downloadable. So far, Tableau has already provided to download, select your file format, and then follow the standard procedure. Let me show you that one. So this is my Tableau public, and here you can see in the right corner there's a download link. So clicking on this, they'll ask you to select your file format and which are the formats you want to download it. But for all this, they need to go through these steps, click on it, and then select the procedure. Let's say just PDF. So they have to select the scaling, page style, and all those stuff. But why to go? At the end, they knew that which file format they want to have downloaded in all the time whenever they use it. So here as well, we're gonna create that same download link, but without selecting or without going through all these process. Just in one click, they are able to download that particular file format. So let's create that. So as you can see, this is my GameStop Corp based stock analysis, and here you can select the charts and everything. But the main issue is, let's say user want to have the data as well. They want to go through with all this. Though I am giving them the stock, analysis whole thing in the chart in a bar format and particular candlelight format, candlelight chart, I would say. So, but they still want everything in a, they want to go through with the data. So how we can get those data? So let's create such thing. So for that, you have to go through the objects. Under this object, as you can see, there's a download button, there's a link is there. You can create this. So simply I will go on, first select the floating, because I don't want to take the whole space out there. Just simply dragging this, and I'll put it over to one of the corner, whichever you want, but I would love to have here over this place. Now you can see this this button, this particular object have created in specific text format, text object. So right now it says download PDF. So PDF is, I think it's a default version. So let's see. Just go to this more option. Here there is an edit button. So click on this edit button. So what this particular object is providing, they allow you to export your data in a PDF format, which is by default, in a cross-tab image or a PowerPoint. Though the standard format is providing you to download the Tableau workbook as well, but this is have the limited. But yes, this allows you to download your data. So let's keep this as it is, PDF only. I don't want to, I want to have that in a PDF format. Then next is, what is the button style you want. So here it's a, by default they say for the text button, but I want in an image, because image helps you, visually it helps you to understand without going through this and taking a lot of space like download PDF. I want everything in a very simple manner, so and visually appealing as well. So just click on the image button. Once you change, the other options gotta change. So here you have to select what image you want to, that represent that same thing. So let's go to this, choose, it will browse your location, and now I want to go through my downloads where I have saved that image. Um, you can see this one is in the, go on, icons, meeting icons. So here is for download button colors, and it's simply, it's an image which is PNG file. You can download any of the transparent images from the image itself from the Google. You just write it transparent image for, let's say, this download, so transparent download images. So any format here, the PNG or JPG specific formats work here. So I've selected some one which is in PNG. So, and this is visually appealing as well. It says download, so easy for anybody to understand. So just click on this and say open. And now I don't want any format right now. I'll keep as it is. But yes, definitely in the tooltip, I want to specify the user that, okay, this is, you are going to download in particular, let's say, PDF format. So because I kept in a PDF, so I'll write here as download download here as uh, download here the data as in PDF. Okay, just click on apply and okay. So here you go. You have that image, and you can see in the tooltip that to download here the data as in PDF. But it says Alt plus click to download this particular file. But I want to keep this in a little smaller in size. Somewhere over here. Okay. So now, what I'll if you double click on this, it will directly open the edit button. So they say click on Alt and simultaneously just click on that button. Yeah, here you go. So it gives you and reach out to you, or you can say browse it to the specific print to PDF only without selecting the file format and so on and so forth. So this is how you can have and say okay, and you can able to download it in where you want to, store this. So this is how you can create your own custom download links within your dashboard. I hope you like this video. If you really like, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And for more such video, please hit on the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.